Hello everyone, Nay here. Happy holidays and happy Friday before Christmas. Alright, so today I have a last minute unboxing. As you can see here, box is already open. But yeah, it's been a while since I posted anything on YouTube, especially a long form content. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so first I'm going to start with what I'm going to start with what I already had before, which are the black bean noodles. Now, I want to pronounce the proper name for you guys, but I don't know because I have a hard time pronouncing it. I believe it's Jajangmyeon. I don't know, because every time I hear somebody pronouncing it, it sounds like they're saying like Cha-cha-jing, Ja-ja-jing, or Jajangmyeon. I don't know, but you guys, I have a hard time pronouncing it, and I am so sorry for butchering it. But yeah, these are very delicious, and I would recommend you guys give it a try if you're into the whole black bean noodle thing. But yeah, very delicious, and I am going to put this off to the side while I move on to the others. And my hand was in the way. Sorry, you guys, I have one hand because apparently I broke my tripod. But yeah, moving on to the stuff I haven't tried before. Alright, so these are the Lay's truffle chips. And let me just tell you guys, I love truffles. Anything with truffles in it, I cannot get enough of. So if you guys want to win me over, this is definitely the key. But yes, I am dying to give this a try, and hopefully it will not disappoint. Okay. Alright, the final bag of chips we have are the Lay's fried crab flavor. Yes, the fried crab flavor. And just like truffles, I love seafood. Definitely love seafood. I can eat seafood all week, all month, all year long. That's how much I love seafood. But yeah, just like the Lay's, I am very curious to give this a try, and hopefully just like the truffles, they will not disappoint. So yeah, put this off the side so I can move on to the last and final item, which is the Milkis. That's right, people. Milkis, the refreshing milk and yogurt flavored soda. I believe it's soda, but yeah, I have been seeing this all over the mukbang, I believe it's how you say it, mukbang videos. And it's funny to me that I wanted to try this because I don't even like milk. Other than having it in my cereal, hot chocolate, you know, eating yogurt, stuff like that, etc. I'm not a milk fan, but for some reason, because I've kept on seeing this all over the place, I'm like, you know, this must be very good because a lot of people are going crazy for it. And I'm like, why not give it a try? So, yes. And now they say you want to drink it cold, and it feels very nice and cold. So I'm definitely going to give it a try after the video. But yeah, that is it for Milkis, and also that is it for this video. Happy holidays, you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.